What's up, everybody? Phil from the attic here with another unboxing / review for you guys. And this time I got a smaller box. So not, as you can tell, it's not a sneaker this time, but it is something a little different. And get this open. And it is a new Leatherman collab. It is the Skeletool collab with Topo Designs, however it's pronounced. But yeah, it is the Skeletool, and it has this cool colorway, and this is the packaging. But yeah, let's get right into it. Pull it open. Comes with this cool little sheath, this pouch. And from what I know about Topo Designs, they're an outdoorsy hiking style brand, and you probably get that vibe from the colors of the pouch already. But yeah, this is a cool little pouch. You throw the Leatherman in. Right, and yeah, this is the Skeletool. It's a really unique color combo. It's got that yellow, which is more of like a gold color in person. Online it looked more yellow, but it's more of a gold, and it's got that red and blue around. And the pouch, the pouch is actually also made in USA. I don't know if you can see inside there, there's that little flag, which is cool. Most of Leatherman's stuff is made in USA, so it is cool that the pouch is also made here. It's got the little carabiner, fits right in there, zips up. But yeah, this is the Skeletool is basically a lightweight version of a minimalist, lightweight version of their multi-tools. It does have all the main things you need. The pliers. I'm pulling up some of the tools in here. It's got the needle nose pliers right there. Got the regular pliers. The wire cutters right inside over there. And then you got that carabiner bottle opener, which I think is one of the coolest part of the Skeletool. Because you could hang it on off of stuff, but it's mostly a bottle opener, which is a lot easier to use than certain bottle openers. And it's got that screwdriver right there, the large bit driver. Slides right in. You can flip it to the other side. If you open it up right there, it's got another bit in there that you can pull out, which is more of it's a flathead in there, double-sided. You got a smaller one and a bigger one in there. And then the final tool basically is the blade right there, which is a combo blade, which is half serrated and the regular straight edge. But not, a lot of people don't really like the combo blade. Some people do. And yeah, you can see right there. Comes in very sharp. You got the locking mechanism right there. But yeah, these retailed for $100 and basically sold out within like a day or two, a couple days, I believe. But yeah, I just love the colorway on it, to be honest. I know it is a minimalist and doesn't have all these tools like compared to like the Wave Plus. It's very minimalist, but it is also a lot lighter weight, and you know, depending on what you need it for, the Skeletool might have everything you need. but it also has that little clip, which I think is really cool right there. And, you know, if you're just using it for pocket carry, you can just slide that clip in, and, you know, it's super useful. But yeah, it's super lightweight. You know, this is the first time I have this Skeletool in hand, and the pouch is super unique and slides right in there, you know, with all the multi-tools dropping now. It's cool to have like a unique pouch like that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like the colorway? Do you guys not really like the Skeletool, so you guys don't want the lightweight version, would rather have the extra tools? But for me, what did it was the colorway. It reminds me of the old hiking style clothing brands, or, you know, like the bright colors, the like kind of like ACG, you know, Nike's ACG line, where they did like all the crazy colors and random color patterns. But yeah, you know, with most Leatherman tools have that classic silver look, so this one's pretty unique. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to see me review more tools, or just like do anything else besides sneakers, let me know what you guys think, and like and subscribe. Thanks.